So you might be having an issue with your Android phone where for some reason wireless charging is not working. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, but the very first thing you want to go ahead and make sure is that your phone even supports wireless charging in the first place. There are lots of phones out there that look like they might support wireless charging, but they don't. A Pixel 6a, for example, does not have any wireless charging capability, but the 7a does. So the first things first, just make sure your phone supports wireless charging. That's the first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, on top of that, another big thing, you want to make sure that wherever your wireless charging area is on your Android phone, you are placing the wireless charger in that exact same spot. So you can see, for example, with my Android phone like this, I basically know that the wireless charging area is basically right in the middle of this phone. But with every phone, it can be a little bit different. So just kind of mess around with it, see exactly where that wireless charging area pad is, and that will probably end up fixing the problem for you too. Now, can you verify and make sure, I'm asking you personally, can you verify and make sure that your wireless charger is not the issue? If your wireless charger is the issue, there's no point in troubleshooting the phone if the wireless charger is the problem. So just go ahead and find that wireless charger, make sure that's working, maybe test it out with a couple other devices, and that might end up troubleshooting it a little bit further because it might not even be a problem with your phone. It will probably be a problem with your wireless charger. Now, another thing, if you have big bulky cases on your Android phone, if you have a metal thing right here like a wallet case, especially if you have like a magnetic strip on the back of your on the back of your phone, and that can stop your phone from receiving wireless charging. So I see a lot of people doing this kind of stuff too. What I'd recommend doing here, just making sure that your phone does have wireless charging capability, making sure there's nothing stuck on the back of your phone, and making sure the wireless charger can actually go ahead and actually connect basically to your phone itself. So those are pretty much the main ways to fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.